The save files and configuration files for inZoi, Krafton's upcoming life simulation game, are typically stored in specific folders depending on your operating system. Below are the expected locations based on common game file structures. Official paths may vary slightly after release. Windows, Steam, and Standalone. Save files, location. Default path. Copy C:users, bracket, your username, bracket. App data, local Krafton inZoi, saved save games, replace bracket. Your username bracket with your actual Windows profile name. Config files location, game settings and configs. Copy C:users, bracket, your username bracket. App data, local Krafton inZoi saved. Config contains files like game user settings, .ini, input.ini, etc. How to access. Press Win plus R. Type %, local app data %, then navigate to Krafton inZoi. If the folder is hidden, enable Show Hidden Files folders in File Explorer. Mac, Steam, Saved Files, copy ~library application support, Krafton inZoi, saved save games, config files. Copy ~library application support, Krafton inZoi, saved config, how to access. Open Finder, press Command plus Shift plus G. Paste the path above. Linux, Steam/Proton. Save files, copy, Chatart local share, Steam, Steam apps, Compat data, inZoi, Steam ID, PFX drive, C users, Steam user, app data, local, Krafton, inZoi, saved, save games, replace inZoi Steam ID with the actual Steam app ID once released. Backup or delete files backup. Copy the entire save games folder elsewhere. Reset settings. Delete files in the config folder. The game will regenerate defaults. Notes. If the game uses Epic Games Store, check. Copy C:users, your username, app data, local, Epic Games Launcher, saved, saves, cloud saves. If enabled Steam, Epic saves may sync online. Disable cloud in Steam/Epic to force local backups. Troubleshooting. If folders don't exist, launch the game, create a save, then check again. Search for inZoi in %, app data %, or %, local app data % if paths differ. Let me know if you need further help.